so that's our first screen, and you can see play button and you can see the background. Okay, now let's click on this play button. So you can see two characters, Ali and Monster. What is this? This is the monster sound. Okay, now click on this sound button to stop this monster sound. Okay, now monster sound is mute. Okay, now how you can win. Okay, so whenever any character will reach the edge, okay, in the left side, if the ally will reach the edge of the left side, then the ally will lose this game. It means monster win this game. Okay, so you have to push this monster in the edge to win this game. Okay, and the monster will push you to reach this one in the left side edge to win this game. So how Ali can do this? So for Ali, we have two buttons, back button and forward button, and that one is punch button. Like this, go back, and you just need to punch it, and but make sure you have to go nearby this monster and then click on this punch button to push this monster in the edge. Okay, let's punch. But he can see, let me just show you how monster can win this game. If I just punch 3 times, he can see this power. Okay, this power came from this monster, and this will push us in the edge. He can see now we have automatically here. If I just punch 3 times again, and you can see that the power will automatically here, and monster win this game and restart button. Right now, how I can win, how Ali can win. Let's restart. Click on this restart button. Okay, so now after restarting this game, so make sure you can enable this sound or you can disable the sound. Now you have to fight this monster. So for that you have to go nearby this monster and then punch. You can see punch, 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 like that. You have to punch unlimited times. So make sure. So whenever this monster will try to show his power, you again stand here and punch this monster like that. Okay, and in the final you will win this game. Right, you win. Whenever a monster will send the power, okay, so this power will come with random value. Okay, so monster can throw you 1 step back, or maybe 100 step back. So in this video, we will learn how we can create 3D character. We are using your MIT App Inventor to create this game. Okay, so let's create one simple start new project, and my project name is Fighting Game 7. That's my app name. Okay, you can see here a screen option, click on it, and you will find here in the right side is screen orientation. So make sure this should be landscape like this. Okay, because we are making the game. Okay, now here we need one simple start button. Okay, but we will do everything in the second video. First we will learn how we can create the character for this game. Okay, so let's open new tab and just type here Mixamo, and you'll find this website. Okay, and first you need to log into this platform, and now let me show you how you can create and how you can choose. So just simply sign up free. Okay, and I already have logged in, so I already have account, so that's why I'm going to log in into this platform. Okay, and continue with Google. So after login, you can see that's the platform, and they have a lot of characters. Okay, so you can see there's two options. First one is characters and second one is animation. Okay, so let's click on this character option first. Okay, and now we have to find the character. You can see that one, second one that I have used. So let me just make it large thumbnail. Okay, and you can see there are a lot of characters. You can choose anyone. Okay, so suppose let me just choose this one. Okay, that one, because we have to use this one. That one is monster. You can choose this one also, no matter. So let's just click on this. Okay, simply double click on it, and you can see that one is character. It takes some seconds to load the whole character. Okay, and that one is 3D character, and you can see the animation now is simply that one to look like this. But we don't need like this view. We need a simple stand view. Okay, so for that, now go to the animation options. You can see in the second tab, animations. Now here we find there are a lot of animation like simple stand like this. So we have to, first thing is just simple defeated. Let's click on this animation and wait some seconds. This will not change character, this will change animation. Okay, this one is fine, okay, but we have to stop it because that one is animation. So let's wait some seconds and move this. You can see there is video running here, or let me just move it here. We can choose this one and let me just move it, right? So we need a character like this. Now how I can get, actually whenever you try to download this, so you will get the obj file, or you will get this fbx file. You can convert this file in a 3D format, but you can't use as a PNG. So for that we need to take a screenshot of this character. Okay, so let me just take a screenshot. Okay, this one like this, and now that one is a screenshot. Now open another one more website, and that one is called onlinepngtool.com. Create transparent PNG. Okay, now you can see that's my image here, screenshot. Just let me just drag and drop this here, and you'll find that one is not look good because that one is the white color. So you can see the similar 15, so I'm to make it 10. Okay, let me just make it 12. No, let me just make it 11. No. Now go to the make it inspect element, because we have to find which color we have to remove. Okay, so that's why I'm using here one tool, that's this inspect element. You can see find color option, drag, take it and just make it find. Actually you have to find that background color because you have to remove that one similar color. If you know other method to transparent this image or make this image PNG, you can do it, because you can use Photoshop also to cut this as a crop image or make it PNG. Okay, but no, everyone don't know about Photoshop. Okay, so that's why I'm using this technique to make it as a PNG image. You can see that look PNG here, right? Amazing. Let's make it 15. That's great, but make it is 14 because let's make it 15. 15 is also fine, I think. Now save as and click on download. Okay, so that one is your first character. Okay, and this one is look like this. Good, that's fine. Okay, that one is your first character. Okay, and now we have to find here more character. So for that you just need to go to the character, but make sure if you want this character as in another position, okay, like in a fighting position, so just click on this. Okay, and here you will find that one position, and here you can see just move around like this, and then you have to like pause this video and take a screenshot and make it PNG. You can make a PNG using Photoshop also. There is online Photoshop actually. You can see the online Photoshop website. You can make a PNG file using this Photoshop also. Okay, I will make another video for that. Okay, so right now we are making this all these file PNG using this platform. And if you are using MacBook, okay, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, if you have MacBook, so you can do it very easily. You can see that one. Okay, and I'm using here MacBook. Okay, so that's really very easy to remove the ground. Just click on markup. Okay, and you'll find that that's just click on select, and you can select any component and just delete. You'll find, and your file will make as a PNG. You can select magic option and select this one content and just delete. Okay, so you can do this with the MacBook. Okay, but if you don't have MacBook, so don't worry, relax, you can use the online PNG tool also. So you can see that one is our PNG, that one is our PNG file, this one. Okay, so that's really very easy to make a PNG file using MacBook, but if you don't have, you can use online PNG tool to convert this file. Okay, so now I have one character. So now if you want another character, so just go to the another character option. Then you have to select your, like I have selected Ellie, so that one character I have selected Erika. Okay, so just select this character. Then again you have to do again process like just make a PNG, change animation of this image. Okay, then you have to get that image. So now that's the overall way to create the character for our game. Okay, so in the last tutorial we have learned how we can create the character for our game. So in this video we will learn how we can design this game, and we will do some coding also. So here we go. We are using your MIT App Inventor to create this app. Okay, till now we have just create this one simple project. Okay, and now let's create first screen of our app. So for that we need one layout. Click on layout in the left side, you'll find, and you can see the vertical arrangement, this one, and make this hide and width is fill parent. Okay, and you will find the image option. Now let me show you my collection. Okay, that fighting game, you can see you can choose another one also. There is some background images. Okay, you will find this in Pixabay, freepik.com, or on internet. Okay, so you can just Google background image for Google, and make sure, like, let me show you one thing. Okay, simple, suppose like game background fighting something, go to the image option, but you can't use all images here because they are all copyrights. So for that, tool option, and you can see uses right, and you can see Creative Commons license. Click on it, and all these images are free of cost. It means you can use them. Okay, no one claim on you. Okay, so there you will find lot of images, don't worry. Okay, there are a lot of images related to you can see Creative Commons, and you can see there are a lot of images like this. All these images you can use. Okay, now let's cut this. Now that's my vertical arrangement. Okay, now click on this image, click on upload file, click on choose file. Okay, and let me just select this one image, first image, click on OK, and you can see that's our first image. Okay, whenever someone open this app, so they can see that one, and you can find user interface and drag and drop one image here, this one. Click on this vertical arrangement and make this align vertical to center, align horizontal to center. Click on this image option, then make this height is at least 200. Okay, not 200 pixel, not percent, and make this width is 300. Okay, and let's click on this picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file, and I have one play button, this one, and okay, this, and you can see that one is play. You can make it more smaller, like let me just make it height is 100 and make this width is 200, like this. So this will look fine. Yeah, this one look pretty fine, right? So that one is our play button. Okay, now whenever someone click on this image, so for that make sure image should be clickable, just check this one. Okay, so whenever someone click on this, so we have to hide this vertical arrangement. Okay, and we have to enable another arrangement. So I'm going to make it hide visible off, and drag and drop our main game arrangement here, vertical arrangement, and make this one is also fill parent, and make this width is fill parent. Now we need here one canvas. You can see user interface, and you will find here the option of drawing and animation. Click on it, and this drag and drop this canvas here, and make this one hide as fill parent and width is fill parent. Now you'll find the layout option. Click on it, and you can see the horizontal arrangement, and drag and drop this here like this, and make this width is fill parent, like this, because we need here 2-3 images for fighting, go down, go back, go up, like for that. Okay, so let's click on this canvas, and you'll find this background image option. Click on this upload, click on choose file, and I already have one background image. Okay, so you can choose another image also, no problem with that. Let me just try this one. Now click on horizontal arrangement, and here you will find, click on user interface and drag and drop some buttons here, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, because we have to perform some actions on this button clicks. Okay, so that's the design. Now you can see here the drawing animation, and you need to drag and drop image split 1 and second image split 2. That one is our ally, and that one is our monster. Okay, now click on this image split 1, and now click on this picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file, and we already have created some character. You can see ally1, ally2. So let me just export. I leave one image dot okay. I will give you all these character link in the description. Okay, so don't worry. Now make this one height should be, make it 200 and make it 100. Okay, fine. But you can see that one is looking, this is not a perfect enough, but make sure you have to test this app in your AI companion to check this one is perfect size or not, because sometimes the size is different on our phone or size is different on this screen, because this font size is 505 and to 320. Okay, so for that, so make sure you have to check design also. Now let's click on this another image. Let me just delete this. Okay, and just copy and paste this like this. Okay, now change this image, click on upload file, click on choose file, and we have to add here a monster, this one, Abel one. You can see that image size is big, so that's why I'm to make this height is 300 or width is 150. Okay, let's do some coding on our buttons. You can change this button background color, or you can use here one more option. That one is image. Okay, so on image click you can perform actions. You can see in the vertical arrangement one, we have performed one action, play button, that's the image. On this button click we have performed some action, so you can do this for this also. I will find it out, and I hope I will change this actually, sorry, make it enable in the vertical arrangement. Go image should be visible on, make vertical arrangement off. In the next video I will make this actually in a image person, but right now I'm making just simple. Okay, so let me just make it back, BCK back. You can make it full actually. This one is short form, FWD and BCK back, or you can BACK back, fine, back, forward, and that one is fight. Okay, fine. Actually in this okay, so that's the simple. We can do a lot more things. Okay, don't worry, we will do it. And but in this video we will perform how this all buttons will work. Okay, so we will do this. And for button design I will make another video. It means tomorrow we will design our buttons. Okay, but in this part I will show you some basic coding. Okay, so that's why I'm not designing these buttons. So let's do some basic coding. So first we have to make sure this should be visible on, and make sure vertical arrangement should be visible off. So whenever someone open this app, so they have to click on this play button. Okay, play image. So whenever someone click on this image one, go to the block section, you can see image. Whenever someone click on it, so we have to hide this vertical arrangement one. It means simply set here, set visible to false like this, and make this, copy paste this, and make vertical arrangement 2 and change here true. Simple. Okay, so now we are in a man screen. Now whenever in this man screen, go to the design. It means what we have performed. This one is hide now, and this one is enable now. Now whenever someone here, okay, in the man screen, so whenever they click on this back button, so we have to back this a character. Okay, so go to the block. Now let me just change this all these button names so no one will confuse. So button one name is be back BTN like this. You have to rename your name like this. Then FWD BTN forward, and that one is our fight button, FHST fight BTN like this. Okay, now go to the block. Now on back button click, okay, it means that button click, then we have to make it back. So for that you can move it like you can see image spread one, click on canvas, you can see image spread one, and you will find here the option of move. Okay, so whenever someone click on it, so we have to make sure the y value should be same. It means image spread dot y value is as it is, but the x value should be minus. So you can see max option, you will find the minus, then just copy this one value, y, not y value, just change this value to x like this, and then click on math and you'll find 0 and change this to y 5, right? Now like this, simple, just copy paste this as it is, change this back to forward button, On this forward button, we have to, okay, click on max and you will find the plus. Just drag and drop this here. Change here the value. This should be plus and y should be as it is. Okay. And now it's fine. Now that one is going forward and that one is going back. On this button, click on the fight button. We have to change this image, okay, because fighting. So for that, click on this upload image, choose file, and you'll find that one fighting image. Open this image, click on OK. Then now go to the block. On this fight button, so not click, you'll find here touch down, this one code. Okay, so on touch down we will change our image one. You can find image spread one dot picture image. So you will find the image dot picture, this one, like this. Dot picture should be, or which image, go to the text, you will find the simple text here, and our second picture name, it means fighting position picture name is our ali2.png. okay, so go to the blog or just type here ali2.png. okay, and you can see the fight button on the touch up, okay, touch down and touch up. Okay, so touch up, then we will just simply call here our previous image, it means ali1 image. Simple. So till now we have completed this part, like some design part and some code block. Okay, that one blocks. So in this part we will design overall this game and complete this overall game. Okay, so let's start and make sure please watch first part and second part of this game. Okay, now that's the third part of this game. So let's start. So you can see the back button, forward button and fight button. So click on this back button, okay, and here you'll find the image option. Click on this upload file, click on choose file. So on this back button I'm going to use here this one PNG file. Open, I will give this link of this file here, okay, and that one back, and make sure this tag should be null, okay, and make this height is in a pixel, so I'm to make it 100 pixel, and width is I'm to make it 100 pixel. Okay, and it's fine. Now let's click on this forward button and now change this image also. Now let's upload. Forward button should be look like this, right? And then click on file button and then change again this file button, upload file, choose file, and you'll see in the here you can see this one is like fighting something, right? So okay, fine. Now remove this text from here, remove this text from here, okay, and now click on this back button and make this height, let make it height should be 50 pixels. So how it's look, okay, 50 pixel is looking good, it means it's a smaller, yeah, it's fine. I think we should make all these like a 50 pixel, okay, because the image size is 100 by 100. So let's make it 50 pixels, so it's look fine, and let's make it height also, sorry, height also 50, and this one is also 50. Fine. Now we can see three things. Now we need, this should be here, right, in the, so we can fight with another hand. Okay, so for that we should use here some label, okay, like this, and remove this text label. You can use here one more layout, that one is called table arrangement, okay, and you can make a 10 column and make this one in a 8th or 7th column, but I'm going to use here another method. So label, I'm to make it this label height, or I'm to make it 50%, no, not height, I'm to make it 50% is a width, okay, and make sure height should not be anything, let's make it automatic. Okay, so that is fine. Now click on this horizontal arrangement and make this background black, so this will look fine. Okay, great. Now we have completed this design. Now we need to we need here one more thing, that one is power. So we should make this monster more powerful. So how we can do this? So click on this drawing animation, you'll find image split option, drag and drop this image split, and then click on image split and you'll find picture option, upload file and image, choose file. Make sure you have to use a smaller size image, okay, so this one power.png file we will use, open and OK. And now let's make this power image. Where is height, and to make it height is 50 pixel, and the width is also 50 pixel. So let's see how big it is. Yeah, it's fine, it's look fine, right? Now we will make this one is a height, so whenever a monster want to fight, so we will use this as a fighting of monster, like this will boom like this. Okay, so let me just hide this for no, make it visible on, it's fine. We in our initial stage we have to make it visible off. Okay, so yeah, this will be fine. Now how we can fight with monster, how we can monster fight with ally. So and the what is the like a condition of winning. So the winning condition is that is the background. Okay, now you have to whenever the ally will fight with the monster, the monster automatically back 5 pixels, so like this, whenever again fighting like this. So when this image split reach the edge of this phone, okay, so we will make it game over. Okay, so whenever monster fight with Ali, so Ali will also moving back. So if Ali is, it means image split 1 reach the edge, then the game is over. Okay, so in both condition, whenever any image split, both image split will reach the edge, then we will make it game over. And if the monster reach the edge, then we will make it Ali win, otherwise monster win. Okay, so how can I fight with it? So let's code something. Okay, make sure here when we need one thing more, click on sensor option and drag and drop one clock and then another clock. Okay, and now go to the block section. Till now we have completed this design. Okay, on image click, we have to visual off and on, it's fine. Now let's make it go to the design. We need one more thing, that one is game over screen also. Okay, so I'm going to make hide this vertical arrangement too and drag and drop here one more layout. That one is again vertical arrangement. Click on layout and vertical arrangement, this one, and we will make it here game over screen. Okay, so fill parent with this fill parent and change this background color. So background color, not background color, I'm going to make it here image, background image. Upload file, choose file. I have game over is image here. Click on OK. That's your game over. Click on user interface, drag and drop one button here and change this background color to none. Okay, so it's look nothing like this. So now change this text to restart. Okay, and change this text color to white, make it at least 20 and make it font bold. Click on this vertical arrangement 3 and make it in a center, make it in a center. No, this should be aligned horizontal, should be vertical line should be in a bottom like this. Okay, so this one is a restart button and that one is displays game over. Now we should use here one more label and this label will display who is winner. Okay, so suppose you win the game. Okay, you win something like that, and then just 20 pixel, then make it font bold and change this text color. Okay, right now is you win, but this text will change according to conditions, so I'm going to remove this text from here right now. Okay, now let's make it visible off. On this restart button click, we have to hide this and display vertical arrangement too. Okay, now let's hide this. Okay, now go to the block section and on restart button click, we have to call here one thing, that one is procedure. So let's make it the procedure, and this procedure will always be run in every time whenever we click on this image click. Okay, so let's copy this code here like this, because whenever we click on the restart button, so we have to hide vertical arrangement 1, vertical arrangement 2 should be true, and the vertical arrangement 3 should be false. Okay, and we have to call it again and again, so that's why we are using your start procedure. This procedure name is start. So whenever someone click on this image, we will call it here. Whenever someone click on the restart button, it means vertical arrangement 3 button, it means button 1, then we will call it again this procedure like this. Okay, fine. Now let's code for our main screen. It means word arrangement 2. That is our game. That's my game. Okay, overall. So whenever the alley, it means image split 1 is collide with this image split 1. Okay, and if this position should be in a fighting, then we will move it back. I got my point. Now how we can do this? Now go to the blog and let's code for it. So if it means image split 1, it means go to the word arrangement 2, and in the canvas image split, which image split is this image split is image split 1. I have a code, okay, in this backpack, so I'll show you and I will explain you this one code. Touchdown button, okay, it means this means go to the design. Here you can see this fight button. Okay, so this fight button name is, what is the name of this button? So the name of this button is fight btn, FIGHT, fight btn. Okay, so just change this button name, fight btn. This one is fine. And in this here you can see on this fight button, on touch down, okay, in the touch down we have to change this alley image, right? So what we will do, what I will do, I will whole copy this code here like this. So what thing is happening here? So let me just create one variable. I'm getting error. It means I have to create one variable, and the variable name is fp. Okay, and the fp value is I'm to decide is define is 3. And why I'm defining 3 value, I will explain you. But in the first part, let me just delete this sound also. Image split change, this one let it go. Now the thing is image split 1 dot picture to alley2. Okay, this is fine. Remove this one picture. If the call image split 1 dot collide with image split 2, okay, then image split dot 2 move to in the +5. Okay, right, you got my point. So whenever the touch down, okay, so whenever I fight with monster, then I automatically, and there's two condition, fight image split collide with image split 2, and this should be in a fight position. Okay, then this monster will go back. Okay, so this is fine. Now here you will find I have just used here one sound also. So go to the design and let's upload some sounds. So click on this upload file, click on choose file. I have two sounds. Okay, so let me just explain you. This is a monster sound, right, and second one is a punch sound. So whenever Ali will fight, so this fight like, right. So let's open this punch sound, upload this file, and we will upload monster sound also. Click on upload file, click on choose file, and upload this monster sound also. And in the left side you will find media, and just don't use player, use sounds. Okay, one sound and then second sound. Now in the first sound, source should be from monster, this one sound, and the second sound we will use here punch sound. It means our alley punch sound. Fine. Now go to the block. So whenever alley will fight, so we have to produce one song here. So what we'll do, here you can find sound 2, and the sound 2 should be play like this. So whenever she fight, so this is like a boom. Okay, now this is fine. Now what is the meaning of this fp3 and fp global -1? It means if she punch 3 times, okay, so this value will reduce and this value going to be 0. Okay, so every time whenever the value is 0, then we have to and the monster should be fire this one power, okay, to stop the alley, this power. Okay, so for that we use here one timer clock 1, and we will check in every second. Okay, now go to the block, and whenever clock 1, when the timer, okay, and now we have to check the condition. Now it means you have to use control F, and here, and the if the sound F value is, it means go to the maths and you will find this one here, and the get fp value is 0, okay, if the value is 0, then this 0, then the monster will fire that one power, okay, and after firing we will set this set global value, okay, and we will set this global value to again 3. So this will wait for 3 times to fight Ali. Now how we can fire this one, like this one power. So for that, first make sure this power should be visible off, okay. So on, if the value is 0, then we will make this image split should be visible on first thing, okay. So set this visible on this one, and this should be true, okay, first thing. And the second thing, we have to move it. So how can I move it? So we will set this speed image split 3, and you will find here the speed, this one is speed like this, and the speed should be around you can make it a 5, okay. This is 5, okay. Now, but the main thing is just copy and paste this actually one more time, because the image split 3 will move in the opposite direction. So for that, we have to make here heading option, and the heading should be minus 180, like this. Now whenever the monster will fire, so we should change the this monster image also in the fighting position, like that image. Like, let me show you this Avil second image. Where is this Avil? There's no, let me just upload this Avil second image, and the second image is like this, Avil 2, okay. Okay, now go to the block, okay, and we have to set this image spread 2 should be, okay, the image spread 2 should be the avil2.png, okay. So avil2.png, fine. Now whenever this power will collide with this ally, then we have to move our ally in the opposite direction, okay. So how we can move it? So monster can win, okay. So now how we can do this? So if where is image split 3, this, if the image split 3 collide with, okay, if image split 3 collide with other, it means go to the else if condition here, if and maths, or you can say logic. If the other is get other, if the, oh sorry, correct, if the get other collide with anything, then get other is image spread 1. It means the ally. If the ally is collide with the power, then we have to move in the opposite direction. So for that, here find the option of minus value. It means in the move back like this, okay. And this should be not minus 5, this should be at least 20, because that's the powerful, okay, like this, fine. So now let's that's the overall game, okay. So how we can decide who is winner? So for that, now go to the block. So if anything is reach the age, let me just hide all these code actually, okay. So I will give you the AIA file also, okay, don't worry about that. So we will know the better things. Now whenever anything could reach the age, okay, so any image split, so any component you will find any image split, this one, if the any image is split age reached, okay, fine, then if the control check here, if the component here will find logic, then again if the component is equal to image split 1, okay, if the image split 1 is reached the age, then it means our game is over, okay. It means we lost, okay, because the ally reached the age, okay. So it means monster win. So for that, we will set here, you will find in the game over screen, you will find in the game over screen is, where is the game over screen, is 3 level 1, and level 1 dot set, and the tag should be, and you can just say monster. Okay, but else if, we will use a else if condition and just copy this code here from here and just paste it here, and the get component is the image split 2. Then we will level 2 dot text should be you win, because you're Ali. Okay, you win, right? And one more thing we can do here, if else if one, if the this component, it means just copy, no, just copy this component. If the power will reach the edge, it means image split 3, then we have to we should hide this one. Okay, we should hide this because we have to fire again. So this visible should be false. Okay, and we have to move in the initial stage. So for that we will call here move function. So image split 3, here find the move option here, call dot move. Okay, and the move should be 2 dot text, oh sorry, image split 2 dot text, this should be like this. Okay, and the y should be also image split 2 dot y. Okay, and we have to make it visible off. And I think we should do one more thing. That one is simple. We should make this image split 3 visible to change to speed to 0. Okay, in 0 maths you will find your maths 0. Right. Okay, so on here we need one more thing. That one is if the when any image is split age reached, if this one is get component, then we have to hide this vertical arrangement 2. Okay, side visible should be off, false, and we have to display the screen of which screen, the game over screen. So let's create one procedure here. Let's create here, and that one is procedure name is over. Okay, and on this just copy paste this one value, and we have to enable vertical arrangement 3 should be enabled true. And how we can call and where we should call, we should call it here and then here simply. So that's the overall game. Okay, so we can do a lot more thing in this game. Okay, so I will give you the AIA file of this game. So download this AIA file, import in MIT App Inventor project, and modify this game according to your requirement. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.